Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best AED account Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Investors consider the UAE dirham to be among the world's most stable currencies in terms of exchange rate stability. It has been pegged to the United States dollar since 1973. Because the country relies on the oil industry, officials see it as advantageous to peg its currency to the US dollar. By pegging its currency against the greenback, the UAE government can reduce the volatility of its exports. Traders who are searching for some of the best AED account Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best AED account Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CySEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. At number 4 on our list is Exness. Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. As an Exness client, you will have access to more than 100 Forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions, which are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. With Exness, you can open a standard account, a standard cent account, a variety of professional accounts, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. Their standard account is a commission-free market execution account with stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great entry account if you want standard conditions, but prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts require a minimum deposit of $500 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. These accounts are suited for more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo environment, or open a swap-free account, which is suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Their platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web terminal, and the Exness mobile application, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Standard accounts are suitable for beginners, and the Help Center offers answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about using certain trading tools, managing accounts, analyzing charts, and more. If you require more in-depth guides, webinars, and market insights, you can visit the Exness educational website to find content based on your level of trading experience and to access the Exness Academy. Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or with the proprietary Exness application. Coming in at number 3, we have IronFX. IronFX is a prominent online Forex and CFD broker, recognized for its comprehensive range of trading services and solutions. IronFX is committed to providing traders with a dynamic and secure platform to access the financial markets. Catering to both novice and experienced traders, IronFX is dedicated to transparency, innovation, and providing clients with cutting-edge technology to ensure an exceptional trading experience. They offer a diverse range of market instruments, providing traders with ample opportunities to explore and invest in various financial assets. These include Forex, Commodities, indices, futures, and shares. By offering a wide array of market instruments, IronFX empowers traders in South Africa and beyond to explore diverse markets, manage risk effectively, and seize trading opportunities in the ever-changing financial landscape. The broker presents a compelling array of bonus promotions as well, designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. And these bonuses can encompass a variety of offerings, such as deposit bonuses, trading rebates, and other attractive incentives. The specifics of IronFX's bonus promotions may vary and are subject to terms and conditions. Therefore, traders are encouraged to visit the website to stay updated on the latest promotions and to review the associated terms. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. IronFX is also dedicated to providing a robust set of educational resources. These resources are designed to help traders, whether they are newcomers to the world of online trading or seasoned investors, expand their knowledge and refine their trading skills. They offer a wide range of topics, including comprehensive market analysis, trading strategies, risk management techniques, and trading psychology insights. Traders can also access articles, webinars, video tutorials, and other informative materials to deepen their understanding of the financial markets. By incorporating these resources into their trading journey, clients of IronFX can enhance their skills, improve their trading strategies, and work towards their financial objectives. At number 4 on our list is FXOpen. FXOpen is a well-regulated, reputable STP and ECN broker, which was one of the first online trading brokers established. FXOpen has a rich history of offering some of the most comprehensive trading conditions to its traders, specializing in trading through more than 600 tradable currency pairs. indices, commodities, shares, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Platforms are available on the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. You will also be able to use the TickTrader trading platform, which includes a highly customizable, user-friendly interface that allows you to personalize your workspace, and it comes with a variety of built-in technical analysis tools and indicators. Their accounts are available on micro, crypto, STP, and ECN accounts, with $1 minimum deposits on the micro account, up to 1 to 500 leverage, floating spreads on the ECN account, as well as copy trading with PAM accounts. Demo and Islamic accounts are also available. FXOpen provides beginner's guides on the basics of trading, how to choose a broker and how to start trading. And if you have any other questions regarding trading, you can visit the Help Center and their Forex forum to view answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. You will also find updated market news and detailed market analysis on the website, and you can visit the FXOpen blog for weekly forecasts and market insights. If you would like to search for any additional educational material with FXOpen. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best AED account Forex brokers, we have Citi Index. Citi Index is an award-winning Forex broker that is authorized and regulated in the United Kingdom and is a subsidiary of StoneX Financial Limited and Gain Capital Holdings Incorporated. They are listed on NASDAQ, and they currently have more than 35 years of industry experience with nearly 300,000 clients from all around the world. Citi Index offers competitive spreads on all their account types, and there are more than 12,000 indices, shares, Forex pairs, metals, bonds, options, and commodities that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. In addition to providing updated, in-depth market news with plenty of articles on trending market topics and a variety of educational resources, you will also be able to use a wide range of trading tools, and they offer professional and premium accounts for traders who are ready to take their portfolios to the next level. Citi Index offers only one type of live trading account, but there are 2 types of demo accounts you can open and a VIP professional account. The standard account is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners. The minimum deposit required to activate this account is £100. However, your account can be funded using a variety of currencies, including the US dollar and euros. If you are an experienced trader and you are looking for a more personalized experience, with more advanced trading tools and more flexible trading conditions, then we would recommend applying for a professional account. As a Citi Index client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform and the Citi Index proprietary trading application. Their mobile application is designed to be beginner-friendly, with all the tools and advanced features that more experienced traders need to take their trading to the next level. It comes with intuitive, configurable charting tools, real-time price alerts, and over 80 technical indicators. This app can also be used on desktops, and you can use it as a demo account first to test out the tools and features offered. With Citi Index, account holders who want to engage in copy trading can do so through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 supports traders looking to run their own algorithmic programs, and it is also possible to install the third-party software, Expert Advisors, which allows Citi Index clients to apply the trading signals of others onto their own account. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend opening an account with Citi Index, because you can open multiple demo accounts, and you will be able to use your demo account for up to 7 weeks. Once you've opened a demo account, you can visit the training section on the website to access a variety of detailed introductory courses, guides on trading strategies, and high-quality courses that are designed for beginners and professional traders respectively. There are many advantages to trading with City Index, but what we like most about them is that they are regulated by multiple top-tier agencies across several jurisdictions, and they offer thousands of tradable instruments with accounts that are suitable for absolute beginners and high-net-worth professionals. City Index has been awarded for having one of the best platforms for active traders, and their professional account could be a great competitive advantage in the markets. And those are some of the top 5 best AED account Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.